Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 60% keyboard cases is probably one of the most sought-after components for building a custom keyboard, offering a perfect blend of compact size and functionality. This video will dive deep into the world of 60% keyboard cases, exploring various materials, designs, and features to help you choose the ideal case for your mechanical keyboard build, ensuring both optimal performance and a visually stunning setup. We will cover everything from the basics to advanced considerations, making your decision process much easier. Number 5. DIERYA KEMOVE X Keyboard Case. This case is made of high-quality, eco-friendly material. It's both elegant and practical, perfect for everyday use or business trips. It features a hard EVA shell and soft fleece lining to protect your keyboard from bumps, scratches, and dust. The internal strap keeps it securely in place. This lightweight case has a main compartment for your keyboard and a separate mesh pocket for accessories like charging cables. Everything is neatly organized. Weighing only 310 grams, it has smooth zippers and an adjustable, detachable strap for comfortable carrying. Enjoy a beautiful and convenient travel experience. With internal dimensions of 12.4 by 4.4 by 1.44 inches, it fits most 60% to 65% mechanical keyboards. Please check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. What we like. It's made of eco-friendly material, offering great protection with its hard exterior and soft interior. Plus, it has a handy extra pocket for your accessories. If you are environmentally conscious and need a case with extra storage, this is the one for you. What people say. Being a hard case to prevent key pressing during transport. Having an internal flap separator that holds the keyboard securely in its own half of the zippered clamshell so it is not just clunking around loose in the remaining interior space. The case works well to fit 60% keyboards, keybs. The outer shell is solid and sturdy and the inside is surprisingly soft. Number 4. Geekria Hard Case for Razer Mini Keyboard. This case is a perfect fit for your Razer Huntsman Mini, DIERYA 60%, or Mage G 60% keyboard. It's designed to keep your keyboard safe from bumps and scratches during travel. It's sturdy, shockproof, and waterproof, providing excellent protection for your valuable keyboard in various conditions. You can confidently take it anywhere. With dimensions of 12 by 5.79 by 1.97 inches, it's easily portable. It fits perfectly in your backpack, suitcase, or any travel bag. The interior is lined with high-quality velvet, providing a soft and protective layer for your keyboard. This ensures your keyboard stays safe and scratch-free. The classic zipper design makes it easy to open and close. It's small but solid, offering both protection and convenience. This listing is for the case only. Your keyboard and any accessories are not included. What we like. This case is designed for specific keyboard models, ensuring a snug fit and superior protection. Its waterproof and shockproof design keeps your keyboard safe from the elements and accidental bumps. If you need a case that perfectly fits your keyboard and offers ultimate protection, this is it. What people say. I am pleased with both the build quality and capacity of this case. The case fits the keyboard perfectly with room to spare to put in mouse, cables, dongles, etc. The keyboard case is just about perfect. I keep a keyboard in it at all times so that when I have to travel, I can just grab the case. Number 3. Geekria 60% Keyboard Case. This case is designed to protect your valuable 60% mechanical keyboard during travel. It's built with a hard shell to withstand bumps and drops. The ultra-hard shell safeguards your keyboard from impacts and crushes, keeping it safe and sound wherever you go. It features an internal mesh pocket with a zipper, perfect for storing your cables, chargers, and other accessories. Everything you need is in one place. It's compatible with many popular 60% mechanical keyboards, ensuring a snug and secure fit for your specific model. Check the description for a full list of compatible keyboards. With internal dimensions of 12 by 4.3 by 1.5 inches, it provides plenty of room for your keyboard and accessories. It's the perfect travel companion for your keyboard. This case is compatible with a wide range of 60% keyboards, including popular brands like Logitech, Razer, HyperX, and more. Check the product description for the complete list. What we like. With its ultra-hard shell, it provides excellent protection against drops and impacts. The added mesh pocket is perfect for storing accessories. It's compatible with many 60% keyboards. If you need a durable and versatile case for your 60% keyboard, this is a great option. What people say. The interior really is 12 wide, just perfect for the K7. The width is a good fit, too. As for thickness, I measure it as 2.25 tall outside. I was able to fit a Lenovo Yoga mouse, door opener, watch charger, and Samsung 10K mAh wireless power bank up there with room to spare. The quality is excellent as well. Nice fabric color and texture, a protective flap for the keys to separate the upper and lower compartments, and smooth YKK zippers. It fits my K7 Max just like it is made for the K7. The material is nice enough. It is quite hard and structurally sturdy. This case is a perfect fit, width and height, for my drop Karina. The quality is very nice, the hard case is sturdy, the carry handle is solid, and it even has a YKK zipper. It came with a keycap puller and dust brush too. Number 2. Aproca hard case for 60% keyboards. This case is designed to protect your valuable 60% mechanical keyboard during travel. It's made from durable, eco-friendly materials to ensure long-lasting performance. It's constructed from high-density EVA and 1680D materials. This combination provides excellent protection and a premium feel. This case is specifically designed to perfectly fit your RK Royal Kluge RK61 or similar sized keyboard. It's a snug fit that keeps your keyboard secure. The comfortable handle and smooth zippers make it easy to transport and access your keyboard. You'll appreciate the ease of use. It shields your keyboard from bumps, drops, and scratches, keeping it safe whether you're traveling or just storing it away. Keep your keyboard looking new. This listing is for the protective case only, the keyboard and any accessories are not included. Order yours today. What we like. Made from high-quality EVA material, it's built to last and offers great protection. The convenient handle makes it easy to carry around. It's specifically designed for certain keyboard models. If you prioritize durability, a perfect fit, and easy portability, this case is ideal. What people say. It fits my wireless 60% with no problem and protects it as needed. I love the design because it allows me to carry the keyboard and charging cable without issue. Works perfect for small keyboards, amazing for travel and very high quality, fit like a glove. Fits the end keyboard nicely and has room for all the cable needs. Number 1. CASEMATIX 60% Keyboard Case. It features a hard shell exterior that safeguards your keyboard from bumps and drops, ensuring its safety during travel or storage. The soft foam padding and divider cradle your keyboard, keeping it secure and preventing scratches. Your accessories will also be protected. It has a dedicated space for your mouse, cables, and other accessories, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Its compact size, shoulder strap, and comfortable handle make it perfect for taking your keyboard on the go. It's easy to carry and transport. This case fits most 60% keyboards up to 11.5 inches in length, offering broad compatibility. It's designed for a variety of keyboards. Experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your valuable keyboard is well protected. This case is built to last. What we like. This case features a robust hard shell for superior protection, a padded divider to keep your keyboard and accessories separate, and extra space for all your gear. It also includes a shoulder strap for easy transport. If you're looking for a protective case with ample storage and convenient carrying options, this is the one. What people say. It is exactly the size I needed, and neatly fits my keyboard, mouse, and all my charging cords. The hardened case is firm without being awkwardly hard. I like the sturdiness of the carrying case. I feel that when we travel, my laptop extras will be safe. Fit standard mouse, 10-key attachment, and extension cord with some room to spare. It fits perfectly, with about a 3/8-inch 9.52mm gap on each side without the snap case, and about 1/4, 6.35mm with the snap case. It's a little too thick for my application, at 3.75-inch 95.25mm, but as a bonus, it will fit 2 Lumi keys stacked on top of each other, even with the snap case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.